Title: Unveiling the Beauty Secrets Jade Roller and Guasha Tool. What are they, how to use, and their amazing benefits. What magical benefits they hold for our today
Skin.
I will tell you in this video, and I will also sharing my honest review and experience with these two popular beauty tools. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the jade roller. Now, this little tool has been used in ancient Chinese skincare routines for centuries and is known for its cooling and soothing effects on the skin. What I love about jade rollers is that they promote lymphatic drainage, which helps to reduce puffiness and inflammation. All you have to do is roll it gently on your face, following a specific pattern, and it feels like a mini facial massage. It's so relaxing. Aside from that, jade rollers can also help with product absorption. If you are like me and love applying serums and oils, using a jade roller afterwards can further enhance their effectiveness by ensuring they penetrate deeper into your skin. Let's move on to guasha. Guasha is another ancient Chinese skincare technique that involves scraping a smooth stone tool across the skin to improve circulation and lymphatic flow. Unlike the roller, the guasha tool is flat and has different edges and curves that target specific areas on your face and neck. By gently scraping the tool in an upward motion, you can help release tension, promotes blood flow, and even sculpt your facial contours over time. Here are a few tips and tricks when incorporating jade rollers and guasha into your skincare routine. Number 1. Cleanse and moisturize your face before using these tools. It's crucial to work with a clean canvas to reap the maximum benefits. Number 2. Keep your tools in the fridge. Trust me, the cooling sensation will feel amazing and reduce any morning puffiness. Number 3. Use light pressure. You don't want to overdo it and irritate your skin. Just gentle gliding motions will do the trick. Follow a specific pattern. For the jade roller, start from the center of your face and roll outward. And for the guasha, follow the natural contours of your face, scraping upward towards your hairline. I'm going to be talking about the incredible benefits of using jade roller and guasha in our skincare routine. There are different types of jade roller and guasha made from a green gemstone that is called jade, which is most popular, which reduces inflammation and helps in skin lifting. Next is rose quartz, that is made up of crystal, which helps in detoxifying skin and fight fine lines and wrinkles. Next is clear quartz, which is made up of mineral, which helps in promoting healthy skin. Next is amethyst, which is also made up of crystal, which fight daily stress and pimples, helps in reducing pimples. Blue solidate, which is hydrating and provides hydration to our skin. And last but not the least, plastic ones. I'm going to share my honest review with jade roller and guasha and my personal experience with them. Now, first of all, I have thrown away its packaging. These are the plastic ones. They can't smooth wrinkles, but they may decrease puffiness and gives your skin a glow, and at the very least, they are a very good addition in your skincare routine. I'm sharing about the jade roller. I'm reviewing this jade roller. They typically consist of a larger stone for the cheeks and forehead and a stone for under the eyes and around the nose, a smaller one. I have been incorporating both jade roller and guasha into my skincare routine for the past few weeks, and I have to say it has made a noticeable difference in the overall appearance of my skin. I used to struggle with puffiness and especially around my eyes, but since I start using these tools, I have a significant reduction. My skin also feels more rejuvenate and toned, which is a big win for me. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video on jade rollers and guasha. Whether you are a skincare enthusiast or just curious, I highly recommend giving these tools a try. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Well, there you have it, my honest review and experience with jade roller and guasha. I hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel or for more skincare and beauty content. As always, I would love to hear your thoughts and experience with these tools in comments below. Have you tried the jade roller or guasha? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care and keep glowing.